So I got my Instant Pot a few months ago, and in the time that I've had it, I've totally fallen in love, and I've been making so many different recipes with it. It just makes my life so much easier. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 more delicious, easy to make, and nutritious Instant Pot recipes. And this video is sponsored by Califia. I'm going to be using their dairy-free yogurt for one of the recipes. Keep watching to see which one it is because it's super delicious. Okay, so let's get started with our first recipe. Let's start with these delicious vegan Carnitas Tacos. Trumpet mushrooms make for perfect carnitas. All you have to do is shred them with a fork to get the right texture. You can usually find them at Asian grocery stores and at the farmer's market. The first thing we'll use the Instant Pot for is to saute our vegetables. So start by chopping garlic, jalapeno, and onion. Add some oil to the Instant Pot, and when it's warm, add the chopped veggies. Stir well. Once they've softened up, add the shredded mushrooms along with your spices and fresh squeezed orange juice. I'm also going to add a little bit of liquid aminos for color and more flavor. Cancel the sauté setting, close the lid, and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Take the carnitas out of the Instant Pot and broil for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure to leave the liquid because we want them to dry out and crisp up. Now let's make our tacos. Warm your tortillas on an open flame, then fill them with avocado, the mushroom carnitas, red cabbage, diced tomatoes, sliced jalapeno, pickled onions, and some cilantro on top. Add a squeeze of lime juice before eating. Now you have a delicious, satisfying, very filling treat. Mushrooms are probably the most convincing vegan substitute for meat, so try to trick your meat-eating friends and family with this one. For our next recipe, we're going to be using the Califia drinkable yogurt, dairy-free, of course, 100% vegan. And this one is plain and unsweetened, so it's really great for cooking. It's also great for smoothies and things, and I don't know, I just like using it as a base and adding my own flavors on top. So I'm sure you guys have heard that yogurt is really healthy for you, but we obviously are not talking just about dairy yogurt. You can have the same amazing nutritious benefits, but probably better, from dairy-free yogurt as well. So the Califia drinkable yogurt is actually a great source of healthy bacteria. I'm sure you have heard why that's important. It helps support a healthy immune system. Obviously, it's great for the digestion, and it helps to fight bad bacteria and bad yeast as well. So make sure, obviously, you're eating a vegan diet that's full of fiber and wholesome foods, but also it's very helpful to have a vegan yogurt in your life as well. So in our Tikka Masala recipe, we're heating the yogurt. So unfortunately, some of that healthy bacteria is gonna die, but we'll still have that amazing yogurt flavor. So I like to remind people that you should, most of the time, consume the yogurt cold, uncooked, so you still can maintain all the healthy bacteria. It's a really nice thing to use for smoothies. You can drink it straight up, you can have it with your cereal in the morning, or you can make a nice sauce, like a tzatziki sauce. I have a recipe for that. I will link it so you can check that out. Okay, so now let's make our tempeh tikka masala. Chicken tikka masala used to be my favorite thing to order at Indian restaurants when I was a kid. This vegan version is even better. A great trick for Indian food and curries and things like that is to lightly fry the spices with the chopped veggies, so we'll start by doing that. On the sauté setting, add a little oil, and then add the spices and the garlic and ginger and stir well. Then add onion and bell pepper. Now I'll add tomato, full-fat coconut milk, the Califia drinkable yogurt I showed you before, salt, and cubed tempeh. After stirring everything well, add the lid and set the Instant Pot to pressure cook for 12 minutes. Once it's done, wait for the pressure to release. When the little metal valve goes from up to down, you know the pressure has fully released. At this point, stir in roasted sweet potato and cauliflower. You can also cook the vegetables in the Instant Pot with everything else, but I like the texture and flavor better this way. Serve over rice with cilantro for garnish. This beautiful bowl hits all the right flavor notes, and it will definitely not leave you hungry. To ring in the new year, let's finish off with good luck black-eyed peas. This recipe comes from my cookbook. Make sure you have it for the holidays. Click the link. Chop onion, celery, garlic, red bell pepper, and jalapeno and saute them in the Instant Pot. Next, add the black-eyed peas, my favorite bean in the whole wide world, along with 6 cups of water, vegetable bouillon, and a bay leaf. Pressure cook for 25 minutes and wait at least another 15 minutes for natural pressure release. Add the spices, soy sauce, and liquid smoke and stir well. Serve over rice with parsley, sliced jalapeno, and a little smoked paprika on top. Make sure to eat this dish with collard greens on the 1st of January to bring you good luck in the new year. Of course, you should really eat it year-round because it's delicious. So I hope you guys enjoyed these Instant Pot recipes, and I hope you'll give all of them a try. Let me know in the comment section down below which one you want to try first. And actually, if you have another favorite Instant Pot recipe that you love to make, share it with us down below as well. The Instant Pot, I'm telling you, has become one of my favorite kitchen appliances just because it's so easy to use and it just makes my life easier, so I mean, why not? Also, these recipes are great for the winter. You know, that black-eyed pea recipe is super perfect for the first of the year. Make sure you have plenty of luck for 2019, so make sure you make that. And thank you to Califia for sponsoring this video. If you guys haven't tried this yogurt or their other products, make sure you check them out. I'll leave a link down below for their website. You can also find more recipes for the Califia products on their website. And there's also links down below for all of the recipes in today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. Bye.